In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up your Brother DCP-120C series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Brother, and then DCP-120C. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a support page. It says DCP-120C. Go ahead and open that up. Select the appropriate version of Windows, Mac, or Linux, and then select OK. If you're noticing it's already included in the Windows operating system, you can go back and select an older version of Windows, like Windows Vista 64-bit, and select OK. And then select the full driver and software package. And then scrolling down, you want to agree to the end user license terms and download the file. And give that a moment. And then once it's on your system, just go ahead and open up that folder or open up that file. You want to go ahead and keep it. And again, this is hosted directly on the Brother support page here, you can see. So I don't know why there's an issue with this file here, but you can see it's on support.brother.com. We're going to select Browse, and we're going to need to put this folder on the desktop here and select OK. And then select Decompress, select OK, and then close out of here. And then this should be the folder right here, the 120C. Go ahead and double click on it to open it up, and then open up the other folder in here, the setup folder. Select English, ENG, and then select the setup file, double click on it, and select yes to proceed with the installer. Getting this printer configured based on your preferences, so just follow through with the setup wizard here, customizing it depending as you see fit, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.